Got a package from AmmoCoins.com. MOAB, mother of all bombs. So the United States Air Force dropped the MOAB on ISIS not too long ago. And what I have here is some ammo coins. That's right, these are coins. So the military has challenge coins, but the tradition started with the ammo career field, and they still call theirs ammo coins. And so I was a 2W2. There's 3 different munitions and weapons career fields within the Air Force, the 2W career fields. I was a 2W2, but my conventional brothers, 2WOs, are responsible for the MOAB, and I have worked with a lot of good ammo folks over the years because we're pretty much, you know, they're usually in our squadron or we're together in our squadrons. But here it is. I went ahead and picked up a couple of these limited runs here. Check this out. 2 ISIS from ammo, past and present. There's their piss pot. Again, they make some cool coins, so every once in a while I'll pick one up. And these are numbered, so this one's 176. I like that. There it says MOAB. You got the flag, and the fins, stabilizing fins, are deployed. And this one, flip it over. This one is numbered 167. So I thought I'd show these off. Pretty excited. They did a pre-order on them right after they dropped that first MOAB used in action, in combat, I guess you'd say. And I did a pre-order, and I finally got them in today. Go check out the AmmoCoins.com if you're into challenge coins, ammo coins, that type of thing. They have some cool stuff on there. A MOAB, mother of all bombs, but in this case, mother of all
booms.